Hello everybody and welcome back to Eco Posh for You. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week so far. Today we're going to talk about, drumroll please, Poshmark search. So I was going through the Facebook forums today and I noticed this post. And it said, I truly hate the search that Poshmark has screwed up so bad. Searching for a prom gown, and I get this. Now, this is a common complaint for both buyers and sellers alike. How many times have you typed something into Poshmark to search for it, and boom, it doesn't pull up anything that you were trying to look for? So I do have a helpful suggestion for you guys. And that is to sort by relevance instead of just shared. So if you can see right here, you see where it says sort, just shared. What you would do is you would change that and click on that little arrow there. And you're just going to want to change it to by relevance. And hopefully that'll help you in your search a little bit. It's still going to be kind of wonky, but it should help you get a few better results. So I definitely recommend trying that to help with the search. And honestly, I don't know why Poshmark doesn't have that already. I guess it's because they want to make sure that people buy from the most active sellers, because obviously it would be important to their bottom line, you know, if there are a lot of inactive sellers on Poshmark and on these sites. And so by sorting it by just shared, I think they're trying to cut down on the whole ghost sellers that way, because it is very frustrating when you will order something on Poshmark and you get no answer, nobody shipped anything, there's no messages, you don't know what's going on, and that's simply because there's an inactive seller or somebody that's forgotten to put their closet on vacation mode. So I understand why they have it organized this way, but it just doesn't seem to help much as far as bringing up the best items that people are looking for. So try that and see if that helps you in your search at all. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day.